Civil emergency message. This is an activation of the emergency alert system for Los Angeles County. Attention! This is not a test. Attention! This is not a test. The County of Los Angeles is declaring that a curfew will be in place from 5 p.m. tonight to 6 a.m. tomorrow for all Los Angeles County, including all cities within the county. Traveling to and from work, seeking or giving emergency care, credentialed media, and the homeless who are sheltering in place are exempt. Civil emergency for all cities of Los Angeles County beginning at 5 p.m. effective until 6 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. More information is available at licnty.gov/emergency.